So here we are in late summer at a lovely property in Cheshire, and as you can see, this lawn is in need of a little TLC. It's looking a little bit dull and a little bit patchy in places, and generally it's just not coping too well with the lovely hot weather we've been having. So let's hear from our lawn care representative, my colleague Tyler, to talk us through how we'll transform this lawn and bring it back to life with our Oasis treatment. So Tyler, can you explain what is the Oasis treatment and how is it going to help this lawn?
Absolutely. So the Oasis is a fantastic product, really going to help nourish this lawn. The hot weather we've just been having recently, it's been a lovely summer of course.
It's been great.
But the lawns are starting to really suffer because lawns, like all living things, need water. We can obviously get our sprinklers out and water the lawns when it really needs it.
If there's no hose pipe ban.
If there's no hose pipe ban. But even on a lawn like this, it becomes quite a tedious job. But having the Oasis on reduces the need for the moisture in the lawn by up to 80%.
Wow.
So we won't have to do half as much watering to keep this lawn lush, healthy and thriving and green.
So what are the signs that I might need the Oasis treatment on my lawn?
As we go around the new estates, we can see around the edges of the lawns where the curbstones are causing the soil to be shallower. So that's the first indicator, that lawn's starting to dry out. On a more mature lawn like this, it's probably at the edges where the tree roots are coming and taking that excess moisture, so it's first bits to dry out. Oasis though can be used proactively as well. So if you live in maybe the south of England, you know you have lovely hot summers year in, year out, and your lawn dries out. Ring Green Thumb in, book in a proactive Oasis treatment. Whilst it's still raining, early spring, let's lock that moisture in, let's keep it in.
So you're saying apply the treatment before a hot spell?
Yeah, it's like putting the plug in your bath.
Right, so now that we understand a little bit about the process, should we apply it?
Absolutely.
Well, I'm going to watch you
Am
apply
I doing it
it.
or you doing it?
Yeah, I'm not doing it, you're doing it.
Okay, fair enough.
So Tyler, working very hard there. In the UK we get a lot of rain, don't we?
We do.
So do we still need the Oasis treatment when it's been raining a lot, when it's got a lot of water?
There's never a bad time to apply it because what it does is it helps that moisture move through the root system. It helps to lock it in. Your lawn's still going to thank you.
Because it's managing the water control.
It's still going to thank you for that treatment. So it's well worth having.
Doing a grand job there.
Oh, I'm doing my best.
So do I need to do anything before you do the treatment?
No, not at all. If your normal regime is to have mown the lawn the day before, or even that morning, you can do. It's not a problem if your gardener's due that day. That's not a problem. You can carry on. We'll just come, let ourselves in if you're out. We'll get on with the application for you.
So Tyler, thanks for demonstrating that. Brilliant work. How long is it going to take to see results from the Oasis treatment?
Typically, we'd say 1 to 2 weeks. Obviously, if it's bone dry and there's another 2 weeks of hot weather, the lawn's not going to hydrate just off Oasis alone.
Yeah.
So we do need to get some water in there. Within 24 hours, you want to be getting the sprinklers running, get the Oasis working, get it doing what it's doing best, hydrating the lawn, getting to work, and then you will see those results.
Amazing.
Nice and quickly.
Right.
Get that lawn recovering, getting nice and lush and hydrated once again.
That's what we want. Should we go have lunch?
Absolutely, come on.
Let's go. So there you have it. Applying the Oasis treatment is simple but incredibly effective, especially when your lawn is under pressure from dry spells, that lovely weather we've been having. Oasis improves water movement through the soil. It keeps moisture and nutrients around the roots for longer and makes every drop of water count, whether it's from your hose or the sky.